Hey everyone, my name is Anamika Shukla and I am from MP Madhya Pradesh. Today in this video, I will tell you 5 things that will help you a lot in improving or achieving any skills. And these 5 things I apply on myself every day, and this is the reason that today I am able to speak English in front of you. I'm still not very good, I still make mistakes, but today I'm here with you to share tips that I follow. So was the till end, let's go. First, start your day early. If you want to do something in life, then you have to wake up early, because if you wake up late, you get involved in others' household chores and you don't get time for your goals. That's why if you want to do something in life, first you have to start your day early. If you wake up early, you will be able to this extra time to your goals, and the best benefit is that when you wake up in the morning, everyone sleeping, that environment is calm, completely quiet, and at that time your mind also stay fresh. So wake up early and move forward to your goals. And second thing is set small goals. We make the biggest mistakes that we start making big plans first. Start setting big goals like I want to do this, I want to do that, and we can't do anything. Because of this, we start feeling demotivated. We feel like this is not my cup of tea. I can't do this. So first you do this, make small target, set small goals and work on them. Work as hard as you can to achieve that goals. What will happen is that as soon as achieve your goals, as soon as you complete your work, and you completely motivated. And third thing is think positive. The biggest problem with all of us is that we cannot stay positive. And if we are at home or anywhere, it happens to everyone that we sit thinking about what people say. He said that, she said that, this about me. Even when we try to do something, our mind keeps going back to those things and those people words. So don't do that. Focus on your work. Even if you do good, people will talk. Even if you do bad, people will talk. They will talk. And the biggest thing is, no matter how much good you for people, whatever do, and then they are never going to be happy. So don't fall in the trap of people. Work on yourself, develop your skills, achieve your goals, and always stay positive. And the fourth thing is learn something every day. Every day learn something new. If you are learning English, then you learn every day new vocabulary, new sentence, whatever you want to do, learn new things in that field. And 5 things, take action, don't just plan. We also have these problems that we only keep making plans first. I have to do this, I will do that from tomorrow, and we never take actions. And this is the reason we are not able to learn anything or do anything, and we keep getting demotivated, and after that we regret a lot of that I didn't do this, my whole day got wasted. So make a plan, make a small plan and take action on it. Think about what you have to do today, make a plan for one topic and work only on that one topic. And the last most important thing is stay consistent. Even if you want to do anything in your life, the most important thing is stay consistent. Without consistency, you never achieve anything. If you want to learn English, then you have to practice every day for 10 to 15 minutes without missing even a single day. So friends, remember always, start your day early, set small goals, think positive, learn something new every day, and take action. Don't just plan, reflect and improve. And the most important thing is stay consistent. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which video you want to next. So thank you for watching, and keep practicing, keep growing. Take care. Bye bye.